Okay, so this is how we play Roxanne by Sting and the Police. The first chord is G minor. So I want you to think of playing your F position chord, which you learned a long time ago, and just move it up a whole step. And we take this note out. It's 1, 3, 5, right? The scale degrees. So we take the 3 and we flat the 3. That gives us a minor chord, G minor. Then we're going to play F6. So go to your F chord. And again, we have 1, 3, 5. To play an F6 chord, we play the 5 comes to here, 6. So here's F major, 1, 3, 5. Here's F6. See the difference? So the first two chords. The next chord is E flat major 7. And the way I think of this one is take your regular plain old D chord that you learned a long time ago, and if we move that up a half step, we would get E flat. So it's the same shape, right? I have to move that bass note up a half step. And then to make any chord major 7, we take the root and lower it by a half step. This becomes the 7th scale degree, because it's the 8th scale degree when it's the octave. If I move it down a half step, it becomes the 7th scale degree. So now, it's just more comfortable to finger it like this. Okay. Next chord is D minor 7. So here's D. You know your minor position chord to be like this, like from your A minor chord that you learned a long time ago. If we move that up, we get to D up here, and I can move the bass note up. And then, same process as we did with the E flat triad going to major 7. I'm going to make this a minor 7 chord by taking the root, which is here with my pinky on the G string, and moving it down a whole step, like this. So now it's the flat 7 of this chord. So I have 1, 5, flat 7, and flat 3. It also should look and feel a little bit like your F triad in first inversion with this bass note. So D minor 7. Then the next chord is C minor 7, whole step down, and then the last two chords are both sus4 chords. F sus4, which is, here's your 1, 3, 5, we take the 3, raise it up, replace it with the 4, which is a half step, so F sus4, and then we go up to G sus4. So here's the whole thing.